Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this video I will show you one JavaScript interview question. This question will be very simple but many people doesn't know that question. So I will suggest you to please watch this video and I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you find this video is helpful, so later you can like and subscribe my channel. So here inside this index.js file, here I will write one code and you have to tell me the output. So here if I write console.log and 4 plus 2, so here what will be the output? So your answer will be 4 and 2. Your answer will be like this if I'm not wrong, right? And if you don't know why the answer will be this 4 and 2, because here you can see this 4 is the number and this 2 is a string. Means like here you can see this 2 I have written inside this double quotation. So number and string cannot be add, so that's why this 4 is like as it is now a number, and this 2 it is as it is string value, so it is 42. The output is 42. But my question is not that. Okay, my question is here, if I write 4 minus 2, then what will be the output? So this is the actual question. So here the output will be 2. Why 2? So that is important, because when we perform any arithmetic operation in JavaScript, means plus, minus and multiply, division, so that time the string value convert into a number. Here you can see this is the number, and with this number I'm trying to subtract this 2, right? So here it will expect one number, but I have passed one string, so here it will convert to a number because I'm just performing one arithmetic operation like minus, plus, right? Okay, so that time it will be output will be 2. Now one question may comes to your mind, like when we run this one plus, so that time the output should be also 6. 4 plus 2 6, right? But why not? Because this is also a arithmetic operation. But here in JavaScript, when you write plus symbol, so that time it consider it is concatenating. Okay, concatenating means it will just concat the two values, like 4 is the number and 2 is the string value. So 42 means plus we use in JavaScript for concat two or multiple values, right? So that time it will consider as a concatenating, and that's why the output will be 42. So you have to remember this one. Only when you write the plus, so that time it will concatenate. Means concatenate means here if you pass the number, so that time it won't concatenate, because it is getting both are numbers, right? So that time it will plus means 6. Okay, but here if you pass one number, one string value like this, so that time it will consider as a concatenate, but it is only for plus. But if you write here the multiply, so that time it will be the output 8. Here you can see as well output is 8. So I hope you have understood. Okay, so this is the one question, and the another JavaScript question is how to find missing number. So first of all I will remove this one, and here I will create one array variable. So where is the keyword and the variable name is num. The variable name, it can be anything, and here I will write one array. Array means here I can assign the multiple value, but in normal variable you can assign only one value. So here I will put some number 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in this question always you have to remember one thing, like the number will be always sequence wise. Okay, if it doesn't sequence wise, then the question is invalid, right? Like here after 5 it should be 6, right? But if someone died 9 then 12, then question is invalid. Why question is invalid? Because here you can see multiple values are missing, 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5, then 6 7 8 missing, then 10 and 11 is missing. So the question is invalid, because in this question only one value will be missing and you have to find that value. Okay, so here I will put the numbers sequence wise, so from 1 to 5, and from here if I remove the number 4, so here only one value is missing, which is 4. Now you have to find the missing value, means 4, right? So how you can do that? So here first of all you have to find the length. Okay, length means how many numbers we have. So 1 2 3 4, four number we have, and the one is missing, that I have to find, means that is 5. So length is 5, 1 2 3 4, and one value is missing, which is 4, then 5, length is 5. So first of all I will find the length. So here I will write one variable, that is len, means length. Variable name you can define anything, but always try to write the relevant name. So here I'll write num dot length. Okay, so if I write num dot length, num means this array, and if I want to find the length of this num variable, so if I write num dot length, so it will give it will return 1 2 3 4, right? Because here up to 4, but one value is missing, that we know, and that I have to find. So here what I'll do, so here I will write 1. Okay, so then it is like 5, right? So length is here 4 and one value is missing, that is 5, length is 5. So that is our first thing. So now here what I'll do, just here I will try to find the expected sum. Okay, like if I calculate this 1 2 3 5 4, so what will be the sum? Like here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what will be the sum? Means from 1 to 5, right? Here, so missing is 4. So here you have to sum like this way, means what will be the output. So if I add those values, so 1 plus 2 it is 3, then 3 plus 3 it is 6, and then 10 and 15. Okay, so the expected sum should be 15, right? But in our case I have only 1 2 3 5, means here that is expected sum, right? So here I will write expected sum. Okay, expected sum is 15. Now here I will write here actual sum. So now I'm doing like manually, but I have to do it dynamically, because here here I know 4 is missing, but in actual when you start to write the code, so that time here this will be unknown, right? So for now, just for explaining purpose, I'm writing like this way, but this one you have to calculate. I will show you the formula how you can calculate the expected sum. Okay, so now here I will write the actual sum. Actual sum means here 1 2 3 5, right? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So what will be the output? So here output will be 3 3 6 and 5 11, right? So here you can see expected sum is 15 and actual sum is 11. So now here the I will write missing value. Okay, missing value. So missing value, how I can find? So here expected sum and the actual sum, if I subtract, like 15 the expected sum and the actual sum is 11, so the output will be 4. So now here we are getting the missing value. So now first of all, our first part is I have to find expected sum. Okay, so here the 4 is the missing value, so this one here now is the unknown, because I'm now starting to write code. So here how we can find the expected sum? So here I will take one variable where expected sum. So variable name I will write like this, so only expected sum, and here the formula is, that formula you have to remember. Okay, so this length. Okay, so here first of all I will write one parenthesis and this length, then multiply, then here again length plus 1 and divide by 2. Okay, so this formula will return the expected sum. So this formula you have to remember, and that is the only main thing in this question. Okay, so here if I console now, so console dot log and this variable, and we will try to see the output is giving 15 or not, because here we have seen the output is 15. Okay, so let's see in the console. So I will go to the browser and see output is giving 15. So by this formula we can get the expected sum. Okay, so this formula you have to remember, that is the one thing. And now actual sum. So actual sum you can find many ways. You can write for each loop, for loop, reduce method, whatever you want you can write. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll just consider you are a beginner. Okay, so that's why I will write the for loop. Otherwise you can write a reduce method as well. That is the better way to find the sum. Okay, so here I'll write for loop. So here I'll take one variable. So variable name I'll write here actual sum. So actual sum is the variable name, and initially I will assign the value is 0. Okay, so here I'll write for and let, and I'll take one variable name is I. Okay, and I equals to 0. So instead of let you can write var const. Okay, so but there is some differences between var, let and const. If you don't know what are the differences, so you can check in my playlist JavaScript basic to advanced. There you will find the differences, and that also another JavaScript interview question. Okay, if you didn't get the link, you can write in the comment section. I will provide the link. So I means here this will be the position of array values. Array values means those are the array values, right? So position means this one. What is the position of 1? That is first position, right? And this 2 is second, 3 is third position, and 5 is in fourth position of this array value. So here in JavaScript, position start from 0. Okay, so here 1 is 0 position, 2 is 1 position, 3 is second position, 2 position 2, and 5 is position 3. Okay, so position start from 0. Okay, so here I'm trying to explain each thing, like all the minor thing also I'm trying to explain, because here I'm assuming you are the beginner. So here I equals to 0. Okay, means this I means this array value position, so it will start from here because 0 and position start from 0. If I write here I equals to 1, so it will start from 2. Okay, but I need this one. Okay, so here 0, and I will go up to this. Okay, because I'm trying to find the actual sum, means whatever value we have already inside this array, so that sum I want. So here it is up to 5, 1 2 3 5, right? Here you can see I already found the actual sum, like in array you can see it is up to that. So here what I'll do, so here I will write num. Okay, sorry, I less than, okay, num, so I will be less than num dot length. What is the meaning of that? Length means length start from 1, right? 1 2 3 4 5, so I will be up to less than length. Okay, so now here here I will write I plus plus, because here when I will start from 0 means it will start from here, and I will be up to length. Okay, less than length means up to here, less than length means up to here only. Okay, if you write, you cannot write here like this way, so it will get undefined actually. Okay, so that thing I will explain in another video if you want, why it provides undefined, because it should be less than equals to, right? Less than equals to means that, but I'm writing here only less than, so why it is like that? So if you want that explanation, so I will upload another video, you can write in the comment section. And here I plus plus means I start from here, I will go up to here, but how I will go? So that's why I plus plus means first when it will start from here, so then if it is plus plus, then it will go to the next value, then next when it will come here, so it will match this condition up to length, so then it will return false, means it will not execute further. Okay, so here now what I'll do, so console dot log, and here if I write num means those values 1 2 3 5. Okay, so those values position wise. Okay, so here I have to write like this way, and now let's see in the console how will be the output. So here you can see I'm getting each values, but I was saying like equals to, right? If I write like this way, you will find the undefined. So here you can see the last one undefined. Okay, so here I'm getting each value of this array. Okay, so here each values one by one I'm getting, right? See here one by one I'm getting each line it is printing. See here, it is not printed in the same line, it is printed on different lines, means one by one I'm getting, because it is now looping, this or it is looping, right? So one by one I'm getting. So now when I'm getting one by one, so here in between that I have to add each values, right? So here what I'll do, this actual sum initially it is 0, so here I will write actual sum, then equals to, then actual sum, then plus, then num, then I, that one. So what it will be, so here actual sum is 0, so 0 and plus num I, so num I means at first this one, okay? So 0 0 plus 1, right? Num I means initially it is 1, okay? So when I was showing in the console, that time it is printed like 1 2 3 5 like this way, so initially it is 1, so 0 plus 1, the output will be here, I'll write the output will be 1. So again loop, right? So again it will go to the next one because I plus plus. So now, and here the one value I assigned here, see 0 plus 1, that is 1, and that value I have assigned in the actual sum only, so the output will be 1. So now here it will go to the next one because I plus plus, so that time here already 1 is assigned. So now here 1, because actual sum already assigned to 1, so 1 plus this num I means now 2, right? Because I is moving one by one, so num I means 2. So 1 plus 2, the output will be 3. Okay, so same way now again I assign the value 3 inside this actual sum. Now the actual sum's value is 3, so 3 plus, I will go to the next, 3 plus 3 is 6, okay? And the whatever output I'm getting, that I'm assigning again in the actual sum, okay? So now here it will go to the next one now. So 6 actual sum value is 6, so 6 plus 5, that is 11, right? And the 11 I have assigned actual sum. So now if I console this actual sum, so you will get the output is 11. So here I write this one, and let's see the output, see 11. So now it is very simple, right? So now in here, see missing value, there is, that is expected sum 15 and the actual sum 11 minus, okay? So here I write, so here I'll write the another variable, the variable name I will write res, means short form of result, and here expected sum minus actual sum, and now I'll console this one. So now let's see the output. So here you will find the output is 4, so the missing value is 4 here, okay? So same way, suppose here if I write 4, okay, here 4, and if I remove 2, so that time it will give the output is 2, okay? So this way you can find the missing value, right? So hope you have understood this logic, and if you have any doubt, so you can write in the comment section, or you can connect with me in instead it will get in the description. And if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also you can subscribe my channel to more updates.